Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, my name is Josephine. So today is a cleanup video. I'm back on track. I want to start doing these cleanup videos, guys. I've been lazy. So yeah, let's get into this video.
Now stop.
So this is our first 2022 cleanup video. I hope you enjoy it. If you're new here, welcome back to my channel. Yeah, I do cleanup video and family time. So today is a quick cleanup video, tidying up, changing things around. I hope you enjoy it. I'm gonna put music on for you. Enjoy the music while I do the cleaning. Or you can get up and start doing something with me. Tidying up your house shouldn't be like, it shouldn't be a big job.
When I'll be coming home, then I'll be at your door. When I'll be coming home, I plan to let you know the longing of my heart, the wish I carry high. Whenever we're apart, it takes me through the night. When I look deep into your eyes, when I look deep into your eyes.
So this is what I do. I put the ones that goes in the dishwasher straight in the dishwasher. Then the big pots, I just put everything away so I can spray the gas top and everything. So by the time I finish washing, it's good enough to clean. If you get what I mean. So I'm going to use the method all-purpose for the gas top. You know these sides don't have. Alright, so I try to use the same product. When I'm using method, I go for method. When I'm using the pink stuff, I go for pink stuff because at least so you don't smell too much things in you. So yeah, if you shop in Costco, normally it come all three comes in a pack. You get the bathroom ones and you get the surface cleaner and the all-purpose one. I like this on these marble tops because it more cleaner. So before I start washing these stuffs, I'm just gonna spray it because last night I couldn't be bothered to clean. So all the stains, it will take all the stains out for me. This is a quick clean. Not every day we have to do it.
When I'll be coming home, and I am on my way. When I'll be coming home, I wanna see you play the music of your heart. I'm followed by your light. Whenever we're apart, takes me through the night. When I look deep into your eyes. Oh, when I look deep into your eyes. When I look deep into your eyes. Oh, when I look deep into your eyes. When I look deep into your eyes. When I look deep into your eyes.
I'm kinda new with apologies. Holding back, I got history. Yeah, yeah. But the way you've been crossing the line, oh, it's something in me that says it's fine. Hoping you wouldn't change me. Got the same old thoughts, be my referee. I will be
I am in the sink because it's silver. I'm using paint stuff for it because method doesn't really give it the shine, so I'm using this for it's pink stuff. I'm almost running out, but it's quite good, guys. You can use one for like a year or so if you
You've been giving me time. Oh, it's something in me that says it's fine. Hoping you wouldn't change me. Got the same old thoughts, be my referee. I will be alright. Never cut it right, but somehow you make me change. Like I'm better off with you. Like I'm better off with you. Hoping you wouldn't change me. Got the same old thoughts, be my referee. I will be alright. Never cut it right, but somehow you make me change. You make me wanna do better. I don't know why. You make me wanna do better. You make me wanna do better. I don't know why. I don't know why. Like I'm better off with Like I'm better off with you. I don't need no one to say you're complicated. 'Cause I knew from the start this might be overrated. actions to prove me you're different. When I say I need you and you head the direction that's leading away from me, baby. I don't believe you, no. 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 I don't believe you, no, no. One thing I love about you is your dedication. It got me dreaming at the station. On my way home, oh, I gotta wake up. This might be a breakup. 'Cause I don't believe you when you say that you miss me. 'Cause where are your actions to prove me you're different? When I say I need you and you head the direction that's leading away from me, baby. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I don't believe you, no. 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 I don't believe you, no.
One tip: always start wiping the top before the bottom, so at least all your mess will come down. Then you can start tidying the bottom bit up. See, I was in a dilemma there. I didn't know where to put the fruit basket. That's why I keep moving things around, like I've already said to you. I like to move things around in your house. Just change things once in a while, and it just keep you motivated and do things, especially if you have children and they keep touching things every day. Give yourself 5 minutes to tidy things up, wipe things down. Then during the weekend, if you want to do deep cleaning, then you do your deep cleaning. I love using Method. It smells nice and fresh. Yeah, but sometimes I go for pink stuff, you have to change sometime. Yeah, so yeah.
Oh, I gotta wake up. This might be a breakup. 'Cause I don't believe you when you say that you miss me. 'Cause where are your actions to prove me you're different? When I say I need you and you head the direction that's leading away from me, baby. I don't believe you, no. I don't believe you, no, no. I don't believe you, 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 no, no. 'Cause I don't believe you when you say that you miss me. 'Cause where are your actions to prove me you're different? When I say I need you and you head the directions that's leading away from me, baby. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
So now I'm using Aldi Shining. It's wood cleaner. You can use it for your wood and you can use it for mirror. So if you go to Aldi, it's in their cleaning where the cleaning product is. I will link it, or I'll leave. I don't know if they have a link, but if you shop in Aldi, you will find it there.
When I'll be coming home, then I'll be at your door. When I'll be coming home, I plan to let you know the longing of my heart, the wish wish I carry high whenever we're apart. It takes me through the night when I look deep into your eyes. When I look deep into your eyes. When I'll be coming home, and I am on my way. When I'll be coming home, I wanna see you play the music of your heart. I'm followed by your light whenever we're apart. It takes me through the night when I look deep into your eyes. Oh, when I look deep into your eyes.
So my darlings, there we go. I've switched things around. One tip for your home, if you keep switching things around, it just keep the house more like, at least I get bored when things are in one place. So I brought the coffee machine there, and yeah, there we have it. Dinner cooking. Very soon I have to start cooking, so I managed to wipe down all here. Watch, I forgot to take that off after Christmas. Well, it's still January. I'll take it off. So yeah, everything is nice and tidy now. Sometimes you don't have to wait for so long, but yes, there we go. And yeah, this is what I was talking about. I let Pabna brought this light into the dining area, so it looks much more nicer here for me. Yes, so hi. So there we go. And so I picked these lights from B&Q. Yeah, I would advise you, if you see the one that is 3-in-1, please do not buy it unless you have a very high ceiling, because we bought that one and we have to take it back because it drops so low you cannot adjust it. Buy the single ones and you can adjust it. And see my new addition. My new addition. This is going to motivate me to do some more exercise. Well, what can I say? Yeah, so thank you very much for watching. I hope by summer I can do something in this garden to make it more. I took the trampoline off. God bless you all for watching. Stay tuned for another video. Stay blessed. Bye.